Hey guys, it's Jeff, and welcome to another episode of Sneaker Resell. This is going to be episode 2 in my series where I just show you the profits that I make, what I pick up, where I sell it, how I do it, and yeah, let's get right into it. So today's episode is going to be mainly unboxing of everything that I've gotten this past March, and a little bit some of these items are before March, but you know, some of them are personal and some of them are to flip. And I'm doing this sort of for educational purposes because I want to show people that it is possible to flip stuff and obtain things without having a bot and just all manual. And I do this for fun on the side. I enjoy buying sneakers, I enjoy streetwear, I enjoy the culture that it brings everyone together. And currently right now at the moment it is quite difficult to leave your house peacefully and without being anxious because of what's going on outside in the world right now. Hope everybody's staying safe. But yeah, I live in one of the worst places hit by this in New York, and I'm just extra cautious around here. My family, it's a little dangerous for them if they were to catch it. But yeah, so we're just gonna be doing everything, and I'm showing that it is all still possible to do at the comfort of your own house, which I am doing. The only thing that is kind of weird and eerie is that when the shipments do come, I wipe them down. I spray them with Clorox and I wipe them down, just in case. You never know, something might be on the box. I don't who knows? Maybe I'm being a little too paranoid, but let's get into the unboxing. So this stuff right here is the stuff I got prior to any unboxing. So this stuff is already open, but I'll just show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this ice cream shirt is what I picked up. It's a nice colorway, nice shirt. I just bought it because I get a discount on it. I bought it where I work, Century 21, and it came out to around $20. So $20 for this ice cream shirt that retailed at 50 bucks. It's pretty good, pretty worth it in my opinion. It's gonna fit oversized, and I'm gonna rock this with probably the mauves 700s. So yeah, that's my first pickup, personal. So here's my last check from Urban Necessities. I got it for selling a pair of Sakai Blazers, the white colorway, and they gave me what StockX is asking for, even higher than what StockX asked for. If you can co-sign your sneakers, you should do it, because one, you're not undercutting the market when you do that, so you're helping a lot of resellers, and two, you're gonna get a lot more because people are willing to pay the high when they know the shoe is definitely 100% authentic and they can trust the brand. Yeah, your boy was looking a little scruffy, and it's gonna be quite a bit before I can go outside and get a haircut. I know for all y'all, it's gonna be quite a bit until you can go outside and back to your regulars, back to your basics. Of course I can cut my hair in here, but no, I don't trust no one to do that. So moving on, your boy had to put it up in the bun. The next item I got was, I picked up the Supreme Tupac tee. I got it in a size large and white. Now I got this the day it dropped online. I just went for it real fast. I got it for a friend who is yet to maybe buy it or not, but if y'all are interested, I got this, my stuff is all 100% real. So if you are interested and maybe you're scared of buying it from StockX or someone, the price I'm gonna wait for and what I'm doing it for is $85 shit. So if you want it for 85 shit, DM me. My IG is gonna be in the description below. So yeah, large size white Tupac tee. The next thing we got is a pair, the Sakai Blazer that I got in the last episode. They arrived. Here the extra pair of laces. Alright, I'm not taking out the other pair because these are the hardest shoe to unpack because they come double packed and it's like a puzzle. But this is the shoe, this is how it looks like. And the one thing I do like about these is the nice little ribbon lacing. If you didn't know, it has some nice, I don't even know how to explain it. Maybe this satin laces. And I like the nylon texture. It's going to be really breathable when you have it on. And it has another pair of laces. Here it is. Actually, I can show you. They have gold tips on them as well. I think that's sick. And the double overlay on everything. I just think it's a clean shoe. Not my size. Also for sale. I'm gonna hold these, waiting for them to go up. All these shoes I'm gonna hold. The only thing that's gonna be for sale is, well, I have some Yeezys for sale, but check them out on my IG if you're really interested. The only thing for sale in this episode is going to be this Tupac tee. Everything else is a hold, in my opinion, or personal. And this is going to be a hold. Size 9, black. And yeah, I think it's clean. Nothing else to say too much about that, honestly. Okay, next we got a pair of Yeezy 350s. And this is going to be the Cinder colorway. Now the reason this is already open is because I bought this pair off my friend who just so happened to be on Instagram. He put up on his story, anybody want these Cinders, DM him, they're brand new, and 220. That's what he put. He put 220 and then he put 240 shipped. And I'm like, I offered him 240, and then I'm like, wait a minute, I misread that. It said 220 shipped and 240 if I don't even know what he put in the story, but I offered him 240. I unsent that. Shout out to Instagram's unsent feature. I unsent that, and then I resent him 220, which he accepted. And then he drove to my crib. He said, yo, what's up, boy? I almost dabbed him up, but I said, no, thank you, can't catch that. And then he gave me the shoes, which I legit checked on the spot. And turns out they were not brand new. His boy wore them one time, and I was about to just say, nah, man, I don't want them. But they were worn once, and we're about to look at them right now. Now, the one issue I have with this shoe is that they must have been hotboxing or something, but it smells like straight bud. It smells like it came out straight from Wiz Khalifa's house. I don't know what to say, but nothing like a little bit of soap and water can't get out. And for 220, a size 9 for 220, I can go ahead and right now sell used 270, 260, 270 on eBay, locally also. But I'm a hold because these will go up without a doubt. Right now, one of the best investments other than stocks is sneakers, because you can buy so many Yeezys right now low. But when this is all over and everybody goes outside again, what's the first thing they're gonna need to do? They need to buy new clothes. No, they need new Yeezys. So that's number one investment. You need to be able to buy stuff and hold it though. You need to be able to spend the cash and leave it there. That's what investing is. All right, so let's get into. I'm talking too much. I'm talking way too much. But here it is. As you can see, there's not even the tag on it no more. The smell kind of went away, but I'm still gonna wipe them down, clean them down. The bottoms are clean. Look, maybe this little scuff mark right there. But other than that, the bottoms are so clean, so brand new. And now what we gotta do is we gotta legit check these. Now the reason I gotta legit check him is, he's my boy and all, but like he was with someone else that I never knew. Maybe these are his. I don't know. But honestly, I already did this before the camera. Everything checked out. There was no weird markings on the box. Use a UV light. It will help you find out whether these shoes are real or not. The pull tab looks good. The soles look good. They're just the right cushioning. Usually a good way to check if Yeezys are real or not is the smell. I can't do that with this shoe, unfortunately. He wore them and they smell like a hot box. What I'm going to do is I have another pair. I have a lot of pairs of Yeezys right now. And I'm going to compare the insole, the one he gave me, to the new one that I'm opening right now. So let's open another one. Now I don't know what pair this is, but I got the size 6 and the size 4. Yeah, it's the size 4 from Yeezy Supply. I got these. The box is in perfect condition. Thank you, Yeezy Supply, for not destroying my box once again. And let's check if the shoes are here. Brand new condition, looking mighty fine. I'm gonna go ahead and compare these for a little bit. I'll come back with my results. So yeah, just as I suspected, they're looking clean. I compared them right now with the UV light and everything. They're checking out. They're exactly the same. There's nothing different. And just double check, we're gonna open up another pair that I also got. This one I won from Adidas. Entering the Cinder raffle on the Adidas app. And people in the cook group and people in general were just canceling the order after they saw the price on StockX that day. They were canceling their Cinder orders. And I was just laughing because I'm like, you guys are crazy. Why are you canceling the shoe? The next day the shoe was worth $100 more than it was that day on Go. I don't know. I didn't understand that. But here's a size 6. Another pair of long-term hold. Let me just show it to you real fast. Same old. You've seen this already. Size 6 in there, brand new, straight from Adidas.com. It's clean, literally brand new. Brand new shoe. Yeah, so size 6 Cinder, another one. Okay, moving on to a bigger box. You already know, maybe if you got this box, what this is. Adidas was actually giving private access to a couple of accounts to, for some reason, buy the Yeezy 350 Zebras and Yeezy 700, the OG Wave Runner colorway. And on this box, I can actually read it. It says the style, colorway, and the size on the case. on the box. I don't know why. Alright, whatever. Let's just open this up. I don't know if it's just me. Do you hate when your boxes, this happens to your Yeezys? Where this little piece goes in? I hate that. Like, I have to open the whole box and reset it. I was not paying $400 for a pair of Yeezy 700s, getting hit over the head with that. No thank you. I was just gonna wait for the almighty restock to happen. Oh my god, and I finally have these. It's been years, and I finally have these brand new in my size. Oh my beautiful days. This shoe is an amazing shoe. But I finally have these. Yeezy 700 is my favorite silhouette in Adidas / Yeezy line. I don't know what it is. I have 2 more pairs. I had 3 but had to get rid of one. But this colorway is just as clean as it gets. Imagine this shoe with an orange Scully, a denim jacket, and some black jeans. This is clean as it gets. This was a personal pair, a grail in my opinion. You should, like, everyone should have one of these, one pair of 700s in their collection. They're so comfortable. To me, they're more comfortable than the Yeezy 350s because the 350s, in my opinion, they press down on your toe too much if you have like a slightly big toe, and I do. So they're really uncomfortable for me. I don't know why. But for me, the 700 reigns supreme in comfort, even more so than the Ultra Boost. And the Ultra Boost really fights to be more comfortable than this shoe. But this shoe is just like a nice little house for your foot. Clean. I can talk about this shoe for all day. I will not. Okay. Now we have a couple of more things. And 3 out of the 4 of these are personals. Let's open my personals first. This I already opened it because I got this a while back. But you know I like everything with the oversized fit. So I got this black Smiler tee in the size large. I think it's just clean from Palace. One of the first things to release the season. And it came with a nice little Palace Trifer sticker. So yeah, that was number 1. Personal. This is a sweater that I was hesitant on ordering. Also from Palace. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's right. If you didn't know what this was, dumb heavy, dumb thick. Was this Palace crew neck with it was a nice Palace crew neck in the purple. I have a perfect fit in mind for this. I had to cop this. This is a personal. Hit the bank, but definitely worth it in my opinion. It's so heavyweight. Like, this is gonna be cozy. And my girl's gonna steal it 24/7, so I'm not even gonna have this for half the time. But when I rock it the first time, at least, it's gonna be nice. That's another personal right there. Let's open up this. Let's go and move on to the next one. Another item. I got this item to resell right here. But I decided to keep it in the end because I just started, honestly, I don't know, I just started splurging. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, that's so nice of them. This is the Supreme and Timberland collaboration. I got this crew neck in the size large. Another personal for me. Came with 2 box logo stickers. How sweet of them. Oh, it's happening. It's happening right now. All the personals. I can see these outfits in my mind happening already as we speak. I don't know if this is going to be too small on me. I hope not. I mean, what am I saying? I don't know if this is going to be too big on me. I hope not, but you know, I do like, I don't know how many times I'm going to say this, an oversized fit, but Supreme I think runs kind of large maybe. Not sure how it runs this season. Another one going into the personal bag. Okay, and my last thing, which is gonna pay for maybe half of the sweater once I resell this. Let's open it up and show you what I got. Lastly, I had picked up the Supreme Oreo cookies on the restock. That's correct, and they come nicely packed, nicely packed. And let me just show y'all what it's looking like in here. Just full of Oreos everywhere that I spill out. Nice little Supreme Oreo right here. And I got 8 of them. Gonna resell them all on eBay or maybe locally. I don't know. I'll see. And yeah, that was my unboxing of the things I bought recently. The only thing I've actually resold was those pairs of Sakai, and I got my check from Urban Necessities. That was the only thing really. I'm gonna try to reselling these. More stuff on the way. I got more shoes coming. Nice flips. I got more shoes on the way. I'll make a part 3 of this series, and I'll show you how I'm gonna flip all those shoes that I'm already making sales for in the next video. If you like this video, leave a like. It helps it reach more people, helps my channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna keep uploading this content. If you like this video, subscribe to see more. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. Hold your Yeezys and use anything but StockX. It's a little polo teddy bear.